What's good, YouTube? It's BTC the Villain back with another unboxing. Something I copped off GOAT for a fucking steal. Y'all gotta see this. Jordan 11 box, 23 right here. Jordan Jumpman, Jordan 11 retro, black gym red, white and anthracite, size 13, retail 220. And these are the, if I can get the box open. Okay, one sec. You can see the Jordan 11 little plastic casing right here. It says, Tinker made them shine, Mike made them fly, you make them iconic. Carbon fiber packaging right here. And these are the, damn, ripping the paper. These are the Jordan 11 72 and 10. I bought off GOAT for a steal. I bought these shoes. These right here, I bought these shoes for $130. Like, I'll show you guys the pictures and the receipt and all that nonsense. I'll show you guys that stuff. But as you can see, for what I bought them for, these are in great condition. As you can see, they're a little bit yellow, but you know what I'm saying, it's not that big of a deal. I can take care of that. Get some Salon Care 40 and leave it out in the sun. That's not a problem. You know what I mean? Let's get into a little bit of a review of the shoe. As you can see, for the most part, it's leather. You see there's leather down here. These are suede eyelets, suede back part with an embossed Jumpman logo in red. The back is stitched 23. It's just pretty much a blackout shoe almost. The outsole is more of a milky, translucent white, but it's a little bit yellow, but you know, it's not that big of a deal, to be honest. Black patent leather, and as you can see, the patent leather, it's kind of glittery, and it kind of has like a leather background to it. Let me take this part out real quick in the shoe tray. It's just a black shoe tray with a little bit of glitter in it, just for some detailing, I guess. On the tongue it says, inspired by the most historic season, led by the greatest player ever. 72 and 9, 72 and 10, my bad. The Bulls 1996 season, I think it must have been his 5th ring. And yes, that is still the best season we've ever seen. Not no 73 and bullshit the Warriors did and still lost the finals. I don't want to hear none of that shit. That shit does not count. So anyway, there it is. The Jordan 11 72 and 10. This is my first pair of 11s. I'm actually pretty stoked to have them. I've wanted them ever since they came out, but haven't had the chance to cop them for the right price. But I bought these for $130 off GOAT. Dude, guys, do not sleep. Don't sleep on GOAT. Don't sleep on any of these sneaker apps, bro. These are legit. And catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.